There's a glowing screen that holds us in a haze, counts the clicks and fuels the latest craze, builds a wall between you and me for the whole wide world to see. And the quiet truth gets lost inside the noise, just a lonely, fading voice. The irony isn't lost on yes, where much of the tech got its start, now it's tearing us apart. But I see a flicker in the northern light, I hear a promise on the warm desert nights. 'Cause if you take a minute, if you look me in the eye, you'll see the same big dreams under the same big sky. From a snowy field in Canada to the Mexican sun, we are fathers, mothers, daughters, sons. They can sell the anger, but it's time they understood. There are more of us who love than those who would. Bienvenue, mon ami. They tell you I'm a stranger with a different point of view, that everything I stand for is a threat to you. But pull up a chair and sit with me a while, you might just find we share the same smile. We worry for our children, and we work hard for our pay, and we hope tomorrow is a better day. 'Cause if you take a minute, if you look me in the eye, you'll see the same big dreams under the same big sky. From a snowy field in Canada to the Mexican sun, we are fathers, mothers, daughters, sons. They can sell the anger, but it's time they understood. There are more of us who love than those who would. Mi gente! Ah, people! Yeah, the night feels dark, the shadows seem so long. They try to tell us that our hope is gone, but they're forgetting about the strength we own. When we stand together, we are not alone. We are not alone. 'Cause if you take a minute, if you look me in the eye, you'll see the same big dreams under the same big sky. From the Caribbean islands to the USA, we're gonna build a better world today. They can sell the anger, but it's time they understood. There are more of us who love than those who would.
I'm Sawyer, this is Cookie, and my cousins are joining us for the State Squad World Tour.
I'm Iris.
And I'm May.
We love to learn. We will be getting to know the countries and territories all around the earth. Today, we'll be meeting some of the countries in North America. Have a look here at the map.
Hello, I'm Canada, Maple, Kindness, and North. I have more lakes than the rest of the world combined.
Canada is a colossal, frost-shattered expanse that looks like a giant splash of land, freezing mid-motion as it reaches toward the North Pole.
Hello, I'm the United States of America, but you can call me the USA. Freedom, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
The United States is a wide, heavy patchwork of states stretched across the center of the continent, with Florida dipping down like a thumb. You can also see Alaska to the north and Hawaii to the west.
Hola, I'm Mexico, history and spice. I introduced chocolate, chilies, and corn to the world, and I have a pyramid larger than Giza.
Mexico is a massive cornucopia curving southward, with the Baja Peninsula jutting out to the west like a long protective scorpion's tail.
You did it, State Squad! You met all 3 of these North American countries. Be sure to like and subscribe to join us next time.